So you might have seen this wireless mini iron floating around on the internet. I know I did, and I was curious about it. So today we are gonna test it out. We're gonna see how hot it gets with the thermometer, and we're gonna see if we can uncrease this piece of crumpled up cotton. So let's see if this thing even works and if you need one. I can imagine a few things this would be very useful for, and we'll go over that at the end, if it works. So let's take it out of the box and check it out. So we are going to take this out, and this is the little iron. And on the bottom, there's a protective silicone cover, and we can just pop that right off. And there's the surface of the iron. So it's a pretty decent sized surface. Comes with a little charging cord, and you do need to charge it up before you use it. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on, heat it up, see how hot it gets, and see if we can iron the wrinkles out of this cotton. So I'm turning it on here, and we've got 3 levels. So I'm gonna make it as hot as it can go. So we're gonna, excuse me, Lily. So we're gonna put it on level 3 and see how hot we can get it, because we're going to be ironing some cotton, and so we can use a really, really high temperature for cotton. So we're gonna give it a little time to heat up, and I'm gonna leave it on the silicone while it heats up. So let's see how long this takes to heat up, and let's read the temperature right now. So I have a temperature gun here, and right now it is saying it is 153 degrees. So let's give it a few more minutes and see how much hotter it'll get. Now the bottom of my regular iron gets up to 400 degrees. So we can use that as a comparison. Just real quick before we move on, if you're enjoying Sewing Anastasia, make sure you like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel a lot. And if you want to learn more about sewing, make sure you check out our online and in-person courses. There's links down below for everything. So I've let it heat up. So let's read the temperature now. So the temperature now is 309. And that's pretty hot for this little iron, which means water should boil on it. So let's go ahead and spray the bottom of it with some water. Ooh, oh yeah, we are boiling over here. That is great. So now let's see if we can iron the wrinkles out of this cotton fabric. First, we're gonna try with a dry iron, just putting this over the fabric here. And you can see it is flattening it out. And now I'm going to spray a little bit of water on it, a little mist here. And let's see if we can really get those wrinkles out now. Okay, so the side that we misted and ironed is looking nice and flat. Well, the side that we didn't is looking pretty wrinkled. So it's pretty smooth, but we do still have some major wrinkles over here. And that's really where the water spray comes in handy with this. And they do give you a little mini spray bottle, which is so cute. And so now if we put that iron back on here, we're gonna see that it helps release those wrinkles. So really adding that water to the fabric helps. Look at that, now they're gone. So does the mini cordless iron work? It does. Now would I iron an entire garment with it? Heck no, I'd use my regular iron, but it's very convenient because it is cordless. Now one downside is that you're gonna have to constantly recharge it, and it doesn't take water inside of it. So you're gonna have to spray whatever you want to iron to really get out those creases. Also, it doesn't get quite as hot as a regular full-sized iron. So if you really need that heat, you're not gonna wanna use the little mini iron. You're gonna want a full-size one. But this is so convenient for keeping next to your sewing machine. If you've got a couple little seams to iron open or iron to the side while you're sewing, you don't have to get up and go to the big iron. You could just iron them right on your felt wool mat. I'd love to know if you have one of these little mini irons, and what do you use it for? What do you find it convenient for? And if you don't have one, are you going to get one and add it to your sewing room? Let us know down below in the comments. Thanks so much for watching Sewing Anastasia today. If you have any questions about the mini iron, leave it down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'd love to know what you think about it. And if you're not a subscriber yet, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know the new tutorials and fun little product reviews and stuff like that come out. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for watching today. These videos are for you guys, so let me know what other kinds of tools, tutorials, alterations, what other videos you would like to see down below in the comments. And if you'd like to learn more about sewing, make sure you check out my online and in-person classes here in Chicago. And if you want to know what's going on in the studio today, make sure you check out the Instagram stories. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye!